गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आई होप यू आर फाइन। क्लास 10th इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक से कल हमने 3 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस इट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। व्हाट कंडीशन डज शार्लॉक पुट फोर्थ इफ द डेब्ट इज नॉट पेड इन टाइम। कि उसने क्या कंडीशन रखी थी कि अगर ये जो उसने पैसे उधार लिए थे अगर ये वापस नहीं दिए, उसने क्या कंडीशन। एंटोनियो कम्स टू शार्लॉक टू borrow an amount of 3,000 ducats to help his friend Bassanio. However, Antonio had insulted and abused Shylock in public many times. He had harmed Shylock's moneylender's business also by lending money to people without charging any interest. He said that he wants to be friendly with the Christians. He pretends to offer the loan out of goodwill. He says that in marriage sport, Antonio should sign a bond only. He puts forth a condition in the bond. According to condition, if Antonio did not repay the amount in time, he would forfeit a pound of flesh to be cut off from any part of his body. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, हाउ डज बेसानियो मैरी पोर्शिया। पोर्शिया से किस तरह उसने शादी की। पोर्शिया इज अ रिच लेडी ऑफ बेलमाउंट। ही इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। बेसानियो फॉल्स इन लव विद हर एंड ही वांट्स टू मैरी हर, बट फॉर दिस ही नीड्स मनी, सो ही goes to his friend Antonio and asks him to lend him 3,000 ducats, but Antonio has no ready money at that time. So Antonio decides to borrow money from the cruel moneylender Shylock. He has to sign a dangerous bond for this. According to the bond, if Antonio did not repay the money amount by Saturday, he would have give a pound of flesh for his body. He cheerfully signs the bond, takes money from Shylock and give it to Bassanio. Bassanio then leaves for Belmont to marry his beloved Portia. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, वाई इज़ द केस बॉट बिफोर द ड्यूक ऑफ वीनस। तो ये जो केस था, केस किस बारे में था। इन्होंने कहा था कि हम पैसे वापस अदा करेंगे, लेकिन जब ये टाइम मुकर्रर टाइम पर पैसे अदा नहीं करते तो उसके बाद केस कहाँ चला जाता है, कोर्ट में। बोल रहे हैं कि कोर्ट क्यों ड्यूक ऑफ वीनस में गया। एंटोनियो हैड बोरोड सम मनी फॉर हिज फ्रेंड बेसानियो. ही हैड गॉट इट फ्रॉम द क्रूअल मनी लेंडर Shylock. Shylock lent him an amount that also without charging any interest, but Antonio was signed a bond for this. According to the bond, if Antonio did not repay the amount in time, he would forfeit a pound of flesh to be cut off from any part of his body that Shylock pleased. Antonio had cheerfully signed the bond because he was sure that he was running to no risk. He was sure that his ships would be returned before the fixed day, and thus he would repay the debt. But as ill luck would have it, he could not repay the debt in time because all these ships were lost at the sea. So he filed a case against Antonio in the court of the Duke of Venice. He wanted to take a pound of flesh from near Antonio's heart and thus make him bleed to death. And question number 7 है, who is described as a learned counselor Dr. Blatzer. Why was he come to the court of Venice? और यहाँ पे किसने डिस्कस किया है लर्नर काउंसलर में, और उन्होंने क्या डिस्कस है। Bassanio's beloved wife Portia is disguised as the learned counselor Dr. Blatzer. In fact, Shylock, a cruel moneylender of Venice, has filed a suit against Antonio, her husband's dear friend. Antonio had borrowed for her husband some money from Shylock when Bassanio wanted to marry Belmont Portia. Poor Antonio had to sign here. She told him about Antonio's situation and asked for the advice. Bellario quickly sent the liar's clothes and the letter for the Duke of Venice. In letter, he requested Duke to let Blatzer, so he called Portia to plead in his stead because he himself had fallen ill. Thus Portia disguised herself as a liar named Blatzer and came to Venice to plead for Antonio. And question number 8 है इसका, how did the counselor start his argument and how was he able to get the judgment in Antonio's favor. किस तरह काउंसलिंग की स्टार्ट होती है और उसने किस तरह जजमेंट उसके फेवर में दिया। The counselor was in fact Portia himself. He started the argument favoring Shylock at first. He said that by laws of Venice, Shylock had very right to the penalty, but at the same time he had made passionate play for mercy. He appealed to Shylock for mercy. She said that he should not insist to having a pound of Antonio's flesh. He requested him to accept the money he had lent to Antonio, but cruel Shylock remained unmoved. In her last attempt to save Antonio's life, he said, Shylock, you must have some surgeon. By least he should bleed to death. But Shylock's whole intent was that Antonio should bleed to death. So he said, it is not so named in the pound. Then he stepped forward to cut off Antonio's flesh. आई थिंक एवरीबॉडी हैज़ गॉट इट। तो आगे इसके जो क्वेश्चन 3 बचते हैं तो ये हम कल इंशाल्लाह डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक्स।